Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Regional Recipes. I hope you all are doing great. In today's recipe, we are going to see spring onion and moong dal. Moong dal means it's called split green gram in English. I have given all the ingredient list to prepare this recipe on the screen for your reference. You can check that out. We need to soak the moong dal in water for about an hour, so that it will absorb all the water and it will become soft to cook the dal. Now take one wok, take some oil and add some mustard seeds and some cumins, followed with some asafoetida. Let the mustard seeds splutter and then add chopped garlic and green chilies. Here we are not adding red chili powder, so you can add green chilies as much spice as you want. Saute the garlic till it turns light brown and then add the chopped onions. Now here I am adding the onion bulbs which I have taken from the spring onions. Now after adding the onions, you need to saute this about 3 to 5 minutes till it turns brown, till it turns transparent, you can say. Well, I am not adding red chili powder as I told you earlier. There are two reasons why I am not adding. One is that I don't want to change the color of the the curry, color of our recipe. It looks beautiful with the the yellowish and the green color. I don't want to make it red or something like that. That is one reason. Second reason is that if you add red chili powder, it will always stick to the bottom of the pan. Then the taste will also change because of that. Once onions will become translucent, then add the soaked moong dal and let it cook on low flame. Just keep stirring in between intervally. It will cook with the moisture itself, as it must have absorbed a lot of water. Let it cook on its moisture itself. Do not add any water in that. When it's cooked about 60%, then add the turmeric powder and salt according to your taste. Mix it well. Just cook about 3 to 4 minutes more and then add the spring onions, chopped spring onions, the green portion of it. Mix thoroughly and then cook about 10 to 12 minutes more. That's it, guys. The spring onions and moong dal saute is ready. Generally this recipe is cooked dry only like this. I learned this recipe from one of my Bengali friends. Generally these kind of recipes they make it in Bengal regions. She told me that they always make it dry only. I don't think anybody would make it a gravy or a curry, something like that, liquid type. So if in case you have any recipe that how you make, so you can do let me know in the comment section below. I would like to try that as well. Alright guys, one thing here I would like to mention, that I have noticed that my videos are being watched, but then nobody is subscribing to my channel. I don't know the reason why you guys are not subscribing. If you think that you have already subscribed a lot of cooking channels, you don't want to subscribe any more channels, if something like that is there in your mind, I have a suggestion and a request as well, that I always try and get recipes belong to Indian regions. Many cooking channels I have noticed that they only show the recipes that they belong to. If somebody is from Rajasthan, they only show the recipes of Rajasthan. If somebody is Telugu, they generally, most of them are doing the same thing. Here I am trying to make recipes from all regions, and it's not I'm doing it just for the sake of doing. This is my passion. I love food. Even my family loves food. We sometimes wherever any state we visit, we always look for the local food. We learn things. I'm doing this just out of my passion, so I would really appreciate if you guys can subscribe to my channel. I know I consider as an appreciation of my hard work. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you think that I am genuine, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification. Share with your friends and family, and do let me know if you want to see any particular video on my channel. I'm glad to make a video for that. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.